Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove sound from a video in Capcut. So if you use Capcut and you want to remove sound from a particular video in your Capcut, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove sound from a video in Capcut, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut application. Once open the Capcut application, click on new project, then locate and upload your video. So just search through and then upload your video. So let's say this, go ahead and click on add. Now, once uploaded the video to your Capcut, just go ahead, click on the video once to highlight it. Once highlighted, swipe through the navigation until you get to volume. Go ahead and click on volume. Then you should see the volume, reduce the volume to 0%. Then click on the check mark. Now, let me just increase the volume. Then you should see the video volume removed. And then you're good. Can now go ahead and click on export. Now, this will allow you to export the video without sound. So that's exactly how to remove sound from Capcut video. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.